Welcome to another tutorial on setting up a product. Today we're going to walk through this product setup process. So we're going to navigate back to our toolbox, and then we're going to page over and find the product tab down here. And this is the same process as if you had a spreader, sprayer, planter, all pretty much the same process. So we're going to navigate to the product name here, and this is where we would actually put in our variety. So this could be a DuPont or a Pioneer, so on and so forth. Just put in my variety name. And then the form here is very important as well. If we put in bulk seed, this is actually going to give us pounds per acre. So I'm going to choose seed. That'll give us thousands of seeds per acre. And then the crop type, we have many crop types to choose from. You can actually filter these out so you don't have so many options. We're just going to choose corn for an example. Now when we get to the actual application rates, these four user-defined ones, or these four boxes here, are the only ones that are actually required. Everything down here, so package size, prescription scale factor, product density, unit density, and if I page down here, there'll be others. All of these are optional, so you don't necessarily have to put these in. So we're going to put in a default rate of 35. Now keep in mind this is in the units of thousands of seeds per acre, so if I put in 35,000, it's going to give me an error that I'm out of range. So I'll just navigate back and I'll delete, put in 35. Then I have a delta application rate, that's how far up or down that I need to adjust my rate. So 1,000 seeds per acre. And then I can put in a minimum of 30 and put in a maximum of 37. And that's pretty much it as far as setting up the seed. Liquid will be very similar. Really the only difference is the units and the type of units that you would actually use. That's pretty much it on actually setting up a product for application. This concludes our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.